Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the GameSir app for your GameSir Galileo Type-C G8. So first, we're going to start off by going into the Google Play Store. Here we're going to go to search and search for GameSir. After that, what you guys want to do, let me quickly lower the brightness for you. What you guys want to do is select this app right here. So this is the GameSir. Let's just install it. It's only 50 megabytes, so it should install pretty fast. Now let's click open right here and agree to the privacy and policy. Here we need to add gaming peripherals. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go and agree here. We're gonna connect it. So we're just gonna locate the USB-C port, put our phone inside, and as you guys can see, we want to allow GameSir to access it. Let's click OK, and of course we want to always allow it. And here we have it. As you guys can see, here we have everything. Here we can even change the button layout. We can switch it from, let's say, Xbox to Nintendo. We can also set up the button mapping. So we have the L4 and R4 right behind here, and they aren't set up to anything. As you guys can see, it's to the null, so we can change it. It's in Chinese because this is not an English app. This is pretty much translated. Here we have the GamePad test. We can see if everything works. So we can also see that if we touch it lightly, it also works. Now this is to the full, and we're touching this lightly. And yeah, you can find a lot of things in this app. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.